Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll diving into a very important feature that impacts how we manage our online payments. The autofill feature for credit cards in Mozilla Firefox. The autofill feature will certainly help you save time when shopping or making payments online by automatically entering your credit card information without having to manually type it in each time. While this feature may speed things up, some users may prefer not to save sensitive financial data in their browsers for privacy or security reasons. Mozilla has been rolling out this feature gradually, meaning it's currently only available in select countries. Some users may already see the feature in Firefox, while others may need to wait or enable it manually. So in this video, I'll show you how to check if you have autofill for credit cards, how to enable it if it's not visible, and how to disable it if you don't want to use it. Now open Mozilla Firefox browser and click on the three-dot menu button in the upper right corner and choose Settings from the drop-down menu. To quickly access the autofill section, use the search bar, type Add Card. If the feature is available, a direct link or section will appear to add credit card details. In my case, this feature is already available in the browser, and it works and can be used. Instead of accessing the autofill section this way, you can click Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Then scroll down a bit on the other side. You may see a new section titled Autofill. Within this section, you'll find an option to manage credit card information. If you want to add your credit card, click Save Payment Methods, then click Add. Here you can fill in your credit card number, username, and expiration date. This will save your credit card information and allow it to be used on websites, such as online shopping. By referring to the autofill section, you can enable or disable the autofill feature for credit cards by enabling or disabling the Save and Fill Payment Methods option, by removing the checkmark for this option or enabling it. You can also enable the Require Device Login to fill and manage payment methods option, to add a layer of security to secure your saved credit card information. Here, you will be prompted for your user password. If the autofill section isn't added to your browser for any reason, you can add this section hidden within Firefox. This section can be modified to add or remove the autofill feature for credit cards in any country. Therefore, if the new autofill feature isn't available in Firefox, you can enable it manually. Open a new tab and type About Config in the address bar and press Enter. You will see a warning message saying, Proceed with caution. Click the Accept the Risk and Continue button to enter the advanced preferences. Next, search for the Autofill Credit Card preference. In the Preferences search box at the top, type Credit, and from the search results, search for extensions for Autofill credit cards supported countries. This contains a comma-separated list of country codes, such as United States, Canada, Great Britain, France, and Germany. You can certainly add your country code to this list. Click Edit and enter your country code, and make sure to add a comma before typing your country code. After adding your country code, press Enter to save your changes. And if you want to disable this feature, remove your country code from the list and double-click the same preference again. And that's it for today's video. With a few simple steps, you can fully control Firefox's credit card autofill feature, either enabling it to speed up payments or disabling it for added security. It all depends on your personal preferences and how comfortable you are with saving payment details in your browser. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future tech tips and browser tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.